Hey, what's up guys? It's iCPU Tips and I'm going to be doing a Hacktinosh tutorial on my 2013 personal rig. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm just going to quickly go over all of the steps that we're going to be taking. First, we are going to put the iBoot disk in, and then we're going to boot to it, take it out, put the Snow Leopard disk in, hit F5, and then we're going to boot to the Snow Leopard disk however we can. Install it, and then we're going to do the combo update, run MultiBeast if you want, and then you can use the UniBeast on the install ESD DMG file to make our bootable Mountain Lion flash drive. Then we're going to boot to the flash drive. You can run a combo update and MultiBeast to finish it off. What you're going to need to follow this tutorial step by step is going to be a DVD drive, Mac OS X Snow Leopard disk, the 10.6.6 combo update, the Mountain Lion app, the 10.8.2 or latest combo update if you want to finish the install, 8 GB flash drive or bigger, UniBeast for Mountain Lion, MultiBeast for Snow Leopard, and MultiBeast for Mountain Lion, and iBoot for Ivy Bridge or 3.3.0 or Legacy for laptops. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to put the iBoot Ivy Bridge. For me, it's the Ivy Bridge disk. I'm pretty sure there's not much of a difference between 3.3.0 and Ivy Bridge right now for iBoot. But I'm going to put that in the drive, and then I'm just going to exit my BIOS, hitting F10 and enter to save. Then, once we post, I'm going to hit at the RAID menu. I guess I can still do it. I'm going to hit F12 a bunch of times to get to the boot menu. CD drive will be warming up, and we will boot to the light on DVD drive. Okay, so the CD drive is kind of warming up right now, getting iBoot ready. It's basically just a duplicate on both monitors right now. It's going to be like that for the rest of the installation pretty much, but I'm just going to keep them plugged in. Actually, I'll do the second one, undo the second one later. But this is the one we need. I don't know why my media is in. Thought I unplugged it. That's okay. SSD, this SSD, my second SSD is what we're going to install. Mac Snow Leopard 2 to make our Mountain Lion installation USB. So the next step is to take iBoot out mid-running. Get the Snow Leo disk. Take iBoot out. Put that in. Give it a sec, and then basically we're going to let it refresh by hitting. We're going to make it refresh by hitting F5. It's going to change iBoot Ivy Bridge into Mac OS X Install DVD. Now, just to ensure that we're going to be able to get to it and everything, we're going to give it some boot flags, and I'm going to do -X for safe mode and minus V for verbose boot. So they come up right. Hang on, sorry guys. There, wouldn't focus. Okay, -X -V, and we're going to hit enter. That is going to verbose boot the installation disk and get us into safe mode, just to ensure that it's going to boot up and we're going to have no problem getting to the install screen. So this might take a little bit, so I will get you guys when we are there. Well, look at that. We are at the install kind of thing. So basically we're going to just skip through it all as fast as we can. Preparing installation. It's always good when you get to here. Okay, you're going to go to utilities, then you're going to go to, here, let me zoom in a little bit on different parts here. You want to go to disk utility. Once that loads, if it ever does, oh, it's gathering our information. And then you're going to want to pick from the side. I'm choosing this SSD right here. Then you're going to want to, here, I'll just kind of zoom out on the window here. Okay. Then you're going to want to create a partition. current scheme. Now we're going to go one partition. We're going to name it Snow Leopard. We're going to go to, okay, yes, journaled, and options. GUID partition table. Many people skip this step and don't know why it won't install or allow it to install. So apply. It's going to change it from SSD to Snow Leopard. It's going to delete it. Okay, partition. Awesome. And then it's done. So exit out of that. Let's zoom out here a little bit. And then basically just follow the couple steps that there is. Continue, agree. Knew that was coming. This is the disk. It's okay to install. Boom, we got the green light. And then we're going to hit install. Don't need to hit customize for 99% of installs, I guess. And that's it. We're done. No. It's got about 30 minutes of installation, so again, I'm going to get back to you guys when this is done. Okay, sorry about that, guys. It finished the install and rebooted right away. And so I just figured I'd start. You know, I took the Snow Leopard disk out and put the iBoot Ivy Bridge disk in, because that's how we're going to boot to our partition. And then I'm going to choose a CD drive. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, focus. Let's go. Get the nice. Oh my gosh! Get the spindly thing on top. I don't know why this thing's having a hard time focusing. Okay, so we're going to choose the Snow Leopard one, and now, okay, for certain graphics cards, right now I'm on my Radeon 6850. Certain graphics cards require a command boot flag, and it looks just like this. It's PCI root. Whoops, I'm just gonna do it like this because it worked like this one time. UID equals 1. Apparently its default is 0. We're gonna set it to 1. Whoa, okay. And boot to our Snow Leopard install. And once we get to the screen, CD drive's going to heat up. That's how you know it's working. And it freezes, but that is normal. Sounds like it's not. And then we get the spindly whatever thing on top. Now we're at the install. This is where it all goes down. Okay, but we're going to hit continue. We're just going to basically skip through this stuff. Do not transfer as fast as we can. Now, well, let's see. We're not going to use that as a backup disk. Gosh, CD drive's going crazy. Okay, it doesn't recognize the keyboard, I guess, or something like that. Okay, so Shift. I guess we're gonna hit Z and then that. Okay. Well, we're done with that. Now we are completely on Snow Leopard. I'm going to maybe just take this in and out, I guess. Hopefully get it to recognize it. Okay, so I had to switch the ports for some reason to get it to recognize the flash drive. But the flash drive is called Hacktinosh. Going to click that. And here's everything I have. This is my, whoa, okay, got screwed up. This is my 6850 Mountain Lion install ATI 6000 Kext. So we'll install it later. And then this is the Mountain Lion app. Can't use this unless you're on 10.6.8, but you can still make the drive. I'll show you how to do this in a second. Combo update 10.6.6, which is what we need to run UniBeast for Mountain Lion. I have the 10.8.2 combo update and the 2 MultiBeast things. We're not going to be using Snow Leopard because I don't really care about making this bootable, but if you really want to, you can use this and make it bootable and just complete the installation. Is what MultiBeast is going to do for you. So basically we're going to run the combo update, the 10.6.6 combo update, which is what we need to make our bootable USB disk, drive, whatever, with UniBeast and the Mountain Lion app. So I'll show you how to get there in a sec. Okay, it took a second to open, but Mac OS X update combo 10.6.6. Okay, so that's what we want. Open that. continue, 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 agree, and that's it. Continue, whatever. What's oh yeah, iCPU tips. I think I got it right. Okay, I guess. Maybe. Continue, yeah. Alright, configuring. This takes a little while, but not too long, guys. But validating packages, then it goes through these different steps. On to the 10.6.6 update, and when it's done, I will get back with you guys. Okay, so far so good. The installation was successful. You can click restart to restart, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to show you guys right now if you guys want to stop here or whatever. If you know, whatever, I don't know. If you to install just Snow Leopard, I guess, then this is where you would run the MultiBeast for Snow Leopard. So right here, and then you'd run this and continue and agree. It quits. It does this almost always because it feels like it wants to restart. But so basically, you just go through the steps and it'll work. But you can choose your user DSDT. You know, upload one. You can choose your drivers and bootloaders. I'm not going to do any of this because I don't care for Snow Leopard being bootable. All I'm using it for is just to get 10.6.6 to use UniBeast to make my Mountain Lion install USB. So it's at 10.6.6 right now. We're going to what's this going to say up here? 10.6.6. We can probably run UniBeast right now. First of all, we want to take this and we want to add it to here. So once this is done, it's going to copy the Mountain Lion app to the desktop. And then we're going to run UniBeast for Mountain Lion. Just going to open it up. See, it says you need your purchased whatever in your Lion app in your applications folder before you can start. So once this is done, we are going to add it to the applications folder. Okay, so it did complete transferring to the desktop. Now, it does have that little sorry. It does have that little you know, do not use kind of sign, and basically it just says we cannot use to upload or update, sorry, to Mountain Lion. You need to have 10.6.8 or later. So, you know, I don't know, that's fine because we're not going to be using it for that purpose. So, whatever, okay. And then I believe, let's see, UniBeast wants it in the application, applications folder, right? Applications folder. So, we are going to put it in the applications folder. Go, applications, and we're going to stick it in there, a little graphics glitch, and then it's in there. And then the one more thing that I did forget to mention is that we're going to go to utilities, disk utility. And now is when we are going to take our 8 GB Hacktinosh flash drive. Or no, well, it needs to be 8 at least, but it's 32. We're going to make a single partition and erase everything that's on it. This is to make it bootable. We're doing the prep work before UniBeast does its work, so we're just going to call it Mountain Lion, I guess, and then make sure it is master boot record. Okay, journaled, apply. It's going to erase everything that's on it, but it's fine because I have copies of 10.8.2 that I need and the MultiBeast, and I believe that's it. But just make sure you have that somewhere else, probably on your computer, in your downloads folder or something. So that's done. Now we're able to run, oh yeah, well, let's see. Oh, alright, I'm going to get my other flash drive with UniBeast on it. Okay, so my no-name flash drive is in. This is with UniBeast on it. I'm just going to take that to the desktop. And then I'm going to put the other flash drive back in. Okay, so I got the Mountain Lion flash drive in. Clearly, something I didn't do would be smarter to move UniBeast onto the desktop first, so I wouldn't have to get that done. But basically, so you can run UniBeast, okay, when you have your empty prepared 8 or more gigabyte flash drive in is fine. So continue. It obviously detected it. Mountain Lion in the applications folder. Continue. Continue, agree. Can't do it, can't do it. Alright, that's what we're doing. Got the green light. It is going to prepare and use UniBeast software to make this a bootable installation disk, drive, whatever, of Mountain Lion. So we're going to hit continue. I just got a text. Laptop support, legacy USB support, use as needed, continue, install. And, okay. And, oh, I guess that's going pretty quick. About a minute. Alright. Guys, a lot of this stuff is glitchy. So, I mean, you know, I've just practiced this a lot, but basically, you know, on reboots and installs, and installers will quit and stuff, and I've never rebooted this so far, you know, because I didn't need to, but, you know, if you do, or if it does reboot, then, you know, you've got the PCI root UID equals 1 to use, the -X, the -V, your iBoot disk to boot to it, so it's all a little glitchy, but that's just something to add, and but you can always get it done and get back to the same step that you were at when you stopped. Okay, from here on, I do remember this. It takes a long time from running package strips to done. I almost thought it wasn't going to complete when I first tried it for the practice, whatever. So I'll get back to you guys when it is done and it's complete. Okay guys, the installation was successful, so that's always good news. So now on our Mountain Lion disk we have the necessary stuff to boot to this. Now I am running on my Radeon HD 6850. Yes, that is a 6000 series card, and we're trying to get to Mountain Lion. Plenty of glitchy issues, so basically I'm going to follow these steps to fix that. If you do not have 6000 series card, you can skip this step, but if you do, you can just kind of follow along. I'm just going to do it real fast. So we're going to go to terminal. I need to type in, let's see, oh, typed it in wrong. Okay, defaults right com.apple.finder, apple show all files 1. Okay, that should work. Okay, so now that we ran that command, we're going to go to utilities, activity monitor. We're going to go to Finder and quit process. Force quit. It's going to automatically restart. Now our files are found. Isn't that awesome? We're going to go to, where is it, system? I think it's library. Oh, extensions is what we need. And then we're going to find the ATI 6000 controller.kext. We are going to copy this if we can. Duplicate. What? Okay. Then we're going to, whatever, put that there. I guess I can move to trash. Whatever. Okay, so we're going to delete it off of there. That's what we need to do. Take this. I'm going to put this on my other flash drive. Okay, so I'm just going to put the 6000 controller. I'm just going to stick it in here, so we'll have it for later, but it won't interfere with the install. But past that, now we have our UniBeast drive with line on it, and that's boot to right now. Okay guys, at the boot menu again, I'm just going to go down to PMAP, which is what my motherboard in the BIOS calls the USB 3 boot. So we're going to boot to PMAP, whatever, and it's going to show this. This is it. Media drive, don't need that. Not going to go to Snow Leopard. And Mountain Lion is what we need. Now, I removed the 6000 controller, and for most I would recommend doing fix enabler equals no, and just to be safe, we can go into safe mode maybe. And see what that gives us. Alright, finally. I was kind of getting worried there. Hopefully we get it. Yes, we did. Perfect. Everything is going as planned. So I'm just going to overwrite the entire Snow Leopard SSD. Okay, frozen, then it's gonna go. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Alright, so next. Okay, I'm just gonna go to disk utility. Just gonna choose my SSD Snow Leopard, make a partition. Same as last time, pretty much. One full partition. We're gonna call it Mountain Lion. Going to go to options. Yes. Journal. Okay, apply. This is the right one. Yep, apply. Partition. Partition complete. Continue. Agree. Mountain Lion. Install. Okay guys, I'll get back to you when we're done installing the very pretty linen based Mountain Lion. We are nearing the end of the installation with about a minute left. So hopefully I can on video get the end of it for you guys, because the Snow Leopard one just kind of black screened and rebooted. But less than a minute. Installation's complete. Awesome. It's gonna restart in 10 seconds. Let's do it for it. Okay. Restarting. I don't know if it actually is gonna restart though. So I'm just gonna hit the reset button on my computer. Just to ensure that it does. Alright guys, so I'm back in the boot menu. I'm going to boot to PMAP, the original USB, UniBeast USB. We're gonna hit that. And now we have these two mountain lions to choose from for the, I believe, Chimera bootloader. So we're going to choose this one. I think that's what it is. I think that's the one. Let's do, okay, let's do PCI. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to graphics enabler equals no, and -X and -V for safe and verbose. Alright, so we're back. On this thing, it just kind of went straight up in here, so we're going to do this. We're just going to skip again everything as fast as we can. I'm just going to do my computer does not connect to the internet, whatever. Not now. Yeah, whatever. Agree, continue. Oh, I need this stuff. Okay. Password, yeah, whatever. Okay, continue. This does look really good though. I love the look of Mountain Lion. Okay, yes, continue. Start using my Mac. Start using my hack. Okay. ICP. Boom. Everybody, we are on Mountain Lion. Great graphics on here. And guys, that's basically the end of the tutorial. From here you can run the combo update, which is pretty basic. For me, I can do my 6000 series, just basically do KextBeast, and run the the ATI 6000 Kext that we deleted. That's the one you run. You can either download that, or we have the copy of it. You can do that as well. But yeah, from now I guess you can just you can run MultiBeast, but I'm not going to do that right now just because basically it's different for every system, so I don't want to do a narrow install for you guys. It's pretty basic, just run it. I would do it after the combo update, and I'd make it bootable with MultiBeast, and again, KextBeast for different graphics card Kext. But other than that, drivers comes with MultiBeast, and it's all done. Mountain Lion's here, a launch pad, so it's all done. It's all sweet, and it worked pretty well. But anyways, thanks for checking this video out. If you really liked it, you can like it. If you have any questions, you can PM me or comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, as well as updated Hackintoshes. And don't forget to check the channel out on Twitter. That's twitter.com/ICPUtips. And thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.